Look at that guy. He has the face of a man who is not worried by the water quality of his swimming pool. He has peace of mind, knowing exactly how his swimming pool is going at all times, thanks to a small device that moves peacefully on the water surface. Blue Connect, your new pool assistant. It analyzes your pool water in real time. Easy to use. Just put it in the water, open the Blue Riot application, and let yourself be guided. When necessary, the system sends you a notification. It explains exactly what to do, which product to add, how much, the right dose at the right time. No more complicated analysis and calculations. Blue Connect simplifies your life. Take it easy. Enjoy your pool. Blue Connect, then relax.